This dictation is 60 words per minute taken from Judicial Magazine Exercise 14. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready. Honorable members, when the nation was fortunate to have a visionary and com- compassionate, compassionate Prime Minister in Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who also understood the pain of the poor. Several new departments and ministries were created and new programs were launched. A separate ministry for the North-East, a ministry for welfare of the tribals, Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, and connecting the nation through golden quadrilateral were singular contributions of Atalji. He undertook a grand initiative to end the widespread disparities prevailing in the country. The programs and ministries conceived by Atalji played a vital role in ending the social imbalances during the initial years of 21st century, but unfortunately these initiatives did not get the desired push and continuity in subsequent years. We are all aware that if our Divyang brothers and sisters are provided assistance to ameliorate their physical difficulties, they can achieve new heights on their own. With this in mind, the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment established by Atal Ji had started the tradition of organizing camps to assist the Jans, but the situation was so dismal that up to 2014 only 56 such camps could be organized. After formation of my government in 2014, following the vision of Atalji, efforts were made with full sensitivity to solve the problems of Divyang in the past 4.5 years. My government has been organizing 140 camps on an average every month where Divyangjans are receiving assistive equipments. During this period, assistive equipments worth rupees 700 crore have been distributed to about 12 lakh Divyang Jans in a fully transparent manner. Para children using sign language in one state had to face considerable difficulty due to different types of sign language while visiting other states. First off, in many assistance, multiple sign languages were being used within a state. Taking note of their difficulty, my government started working on a uniform sign language for Divyangjan applicable throughout the country. A dictionary for the Divyangjan with 3000 words has already been published by the Delhi based Indian Sign Language Research and Training Center, and the work on another dictionary with 3000 new words is in progress. In addition, the central government has made about 100 websites compliant to the needs of Divyangjan through the enactment of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016. My government has provided them with equal opportunity in education, social security, and equipment. Para honorable members, tragic accidents at unmanned railway crossings have for years been a subject of discussion in our country. The subject has also been raised many times in the House. Full stop.